looking at today's markets, it looks like the first day of the first full week of the trading this new year is on a pretty downbeat note. What's driving the markets lower today?
Well, in general, there's concern on the part of investors that we've had a significant run-up in 2014, and now is the time to take profits. In addition, when people look out on 2015, they start to worry about risks, and one of the biggest risks facing investors right now is fears of Fed tightening.
And as for today's market movements, to what extent would you attribute that to energy?
I think that's certainly exerting downward pressure on the market. Again, those question marks about what exactly is happening, could it all be supply? Now, we think the story is largely a supply story, but there's certainly some demand aspects to it. And in fact, if you zero in on, for example, China and concerns that there's less demand there, there's a question mark as to how significant a deceleration there will be in China in 2015, and could that have an even greater impact going forward on demand for oil as well as on economic growth in general. Our view is that China will have a soft landing, but we need to follow issues closely. In fact, just last week, the PBOC released its most recent business confidence survey, and that showed actually a very significant drop in business confidence to a level below where they were at their 2009 low. So it's something we need to be following.